Turning to recent regulatory actions, the INB Ministry has blocked apps and websites of 25 OTT platforms, including popular names like Ullu, Alt Balaji and Desi Flix, citing concerns over obscene, vulgar and pornographic content. For a detailed update on the government's advisory and what this means for viewers and the digital content landscape, let me go over to my colleague Himakshi, who's standing by. Himakshi, give us all the details.
Rightly said, Sanjana. So the Broadcast Ministry has actually directed the blocking of websites of 25 OTT platforms over concerns of obscene and vulgar content. So this action, however, wasn't just taken in isolation, because the ministry consulted with a wide range of stakeholders, starting from the Home Ministry to the Ministries of Women and Child Development, Electronics and IT, along with legal departments as well, and industry bodies like the FICCI and CII, and also experts on the women and child rights. Now, the platforms have been blocked under provisions of the Information Technology Act of 2000 and IT rules of 2021. So, in total, 28 OTT platforms have been taken down, and some of the names, under the scanner are Big Shots, Desi Flix, BoomX, NeonX, VIP, Ullu, Halchal and Fugi. So the government has flagged that these platforms, for carrying content heavy with sexual innuendos, nudity, pornography, and also vulgar depictions of sex in inappropriate contexts. So authorities say that the content violated Section 67A of the IT Act, Section 292 of the IPC, and Indecent Representation of Women Act 1986. Back to you, Sanjana.
Right, Himakshi, thanks so much for that. We'll continue tracking this and bring you all of the details.